Over the last couple of weeks, I have made $1,300 as a TikTok Shop affiliate with a small account, and I'm not the only one. There's tons of other creators that are taking advantage of this opportunity while it's still available. One of the biggest things that you need to get right, especially at the beginning, is choosing profitable product to promote. These creators that are making thousands of dollars monthly don't like to talk about how exactly they go about doing this. One of the biggest secrets here is they do not use just the TikTok Shop platform alone. There are some additional secret tools that they use, because you see, my friend, it can take days, weeks, sometimes even months to find the right product. But if you know what tools to use, this can take you literally minutes, so you can start making money quicker. Now, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're going to be covering 5 steps that I follow in order to pick profitable products to promote literally in minutes. So whether you're starting out and have no idea what to promote, whether you've been grinding but just not really getting the traction that you're looking for, or even if you're a new TikTok shop and you can't decide what to sell within your shop, we are going to walk through all of that in this video. Now, one of my favorite tools to use is called Fastmoss. It's actually used by around 700,000 people globally, so you know that it works. If you'd like to follow along, my advice is to use their pro membership. I've left the link in the description, which will get you 15 days pro membership completely free of charge, but you need to make sure that you use that link exactly and use my code so you don't get charged. So if I was to give you an example, if you were to go into, say, a Christmas market, usually what you'll notice is people tend to all congregate around the same stalls. There'll be stalls that are not as busy as others, and usually our instinct as human beings is to go to the popular stalls as well. If there's one stall where no one is going to, usually we wouldn't go there, or if we do, usually we'd be skeptical to spend any money, because why is everyone focusing elsewhere? What's wrong with this place? Now, it's exactly the same thing with TikTok Shop. You want to focus on what's selling the most. You don't want to reinvent the wheel, and this is exactly what I do in order to find out what are the best selling products right now on TikTok Shop. The section that I like to go into is the product section. So on the home page here, if you look on the menu that is on the left hand side, you've got product and other options. So I'm going to click into product, and as you can see, we've got top selling. Once you've done all your filtering, you've filtered by location and by time. As you can see here at the top under revenue rank, it's got time filter. You can look at what sold well yesterday, this week, monthly, but you'll start to notice some trends here. So if I go on daily and if I go on weekly and monthly, there are products that show regardless of the time that I've filtered by, and these are products that you want to pay attention to. For example, in this instance, Goli ashwagandha vitamin D is showing up regardless of the time that I'm filtering by, which is really good. Both the 3 bottles and the 1 bottle at the top. What I like about Fastmoss is they use this algorithm which makes sure that the information is accurate. They are constantly updating this information daily. So once you've filtered, take a note of around 3 to 5 of these best-selling products here. You're writing this down on a notepad or on your phone or on your computer, wherever. Now that you've made a note of the 5, to verify that these are definitely the right products that you are going to be promoting. The next thing you want to do is dig a little deeper. Now, this is step 2. You want to go into each of these 5 products that you've chosen and just look at a bit more information about the product. So for example, if we have chosen this Goli ashwagandha, clicking on the actual product and it'll take you here. Lots of different bits of information that you can see here. You don't need to look at every single thing. You mainly want to focus on is this Fastmoss overview here. And you also want to look at related videos, which you're going to get to in just a second. But what I really like here is this Fastmoss overview. It's basically Fastmoss taking non-standard sets of information that are essentially not available on TikTok and making them available here. For example, this is a summary of the information that is on this page. What does all of this lovely, colorful, all these different graphs tell us? And what Fastmoss has done is they've taken that, put that into a summary, really useful information there that just further verifies that you are looking at the right product. Equally, if you were reading this and you were thinking, actually, this product isn't doing very well, then, you'd go ahead and focus on a different product. Additional information you can see there, past 28 days, 9,100 live streams have featured this product. These live streams have generated an additional 110,100 units sold, with an increase in gross monthly value of 3.4 million. So this tells you that this is how live streams have performed as far as this product is concerned. And this also lets you know in the past 28 days how many creators have released videos as well. So it's a nice little summary, concise bit of information about what you're going to be seeing on this page. Other bits of non-standard information is, if you look at this section right here, these two cards, there's transaction, channel distribution, and there's content distribution. Quite simply, all these tell you is this type of product, this Goli ashwagandha product here, is being distributed best within e-commerce creators. So you've got product card. This is essentially the shop shelf. Only 2% of these products are being sold just from the standard shop shelf. Self-operated account, 5%, but most of these products are being sold by e-commerce creators. So you, as an e-commerce creator, as a content creator like me, you stand a high chance of selling it as well. And this content distribution card here as well is telling us that the majority of the sales of this product are via live streams. As you can see, that's 55%. And also quite a high number of the sales come from videos. If you're not someone that live streams, that might not be a good product for you to select. Relating back to what I mentioned earlier, what you also want to look at here, which is really important, obviously you want to look at the commission rate, 20% of that as your commission, which is pretty decent. Pick a product that is gonna be worth your while. If you're gonna be getting 50 cents commission, for a lot of people it might not be worth your while. Another really key area to look at here is related videos. These are the videos that are being created by TikTok Shop affiliate, people that are essentially doing TikToks talking about this product. And this is going to give you an idea of how these performed over the last 28 days. You have different bits of information here. The really important thing here is you can actually spy on these creators. You can go into these videos and you can watch the videos, and you can make a note of the video scripts on a document, maybe on a notepad. What's helped me is focusing on the hook of the video. So that's the first 3 seconds of each video. What did these creators say to hook people in within the first few seconds, usually the first 2 to 3 seconds, in order for the algorithm to take you seriously and start promoting your video. Another thing that you want to pay attention to is the call to action. Is what does the creator say to instill a sense of urgency? There'll usually be something that the creator is saying towards the end of the video to get people to purchase. So you've got all that down. The third step now is to acquire the product that you have identified. One of the easiest ways to do this is to go somewhere like Amazon, where you can purchase the product and get it on next day delivery. If it's not available on Amazon, you can also request a free sample on TikTok Shop. This is where the shop is going to send you the product for free, like this. This is a product that I've received for free. This was a product that I received completely free as well. This was a product that I received completely free by requesting it as a sample. You can essentially just go into any product, click request sample, and then it's down to the shop to decide whether to send you that free sample or not. Because remember, this is them sending you their product for free, under the trust that you're gonna create a video and people are gonna buy the product from your video, so the shops makes money and you make money as well. Rarely, you might also have the product already in your home if it's something that you were already using. This stylus pen, for example, I've already got this here. If it's also available on TikTok Shop, all I need to do is just take 5 minutes, create a video, link the same one on TikTok Shop, and I've already got myself a affiliate video. So you've now got the product in your hand. What you then want to do is create the video. You want to take a note of the script that you noted down from that step that we followed earlier. You want to create more or less similar videos to the ones that you have investigated. So We've watched these videos, we've listened to what they're saying, we've got an idea of roughly how long the videos are, call to action, the hook, sense of urgency, all of that we've already investigated. You are now recreating similar videos. Obviously, you don't want to carbon copy and create it exactly as the other person did, but you will find little nuggets within the video. Just replicate what works. No complex editing. It's literally with a phone, walking around your house, showing the product. Nothing too complicated. That's the beauty of TikTok Shop Affiliate. It should take you no longer than about 5 to 10 minutes to film and publish the video. Now, the fifth and final step is, of course, understanding the basics. None of what I've mentioned is going to work if you don't understand the basics of TikTok Shop Affiliate and how it works. But luckily for you, I've left a video on the screen which walks you through all the basics. It's actually a free course that I've created just for you. I'll see you.